science.
The Siwa oasis in Egypt is famous for its olives and sweet dates. Its underground springs are essential for the region's agriculture. But even supplies here are running low as water companies and farmers compete for this precious resource. Across the Mediterranean, half of the area's wetlands have been lost over the past century.
Le temps de l'eau gratuite.
An era of free water, accessible to all, is something that needs to be looked at urgently. We need to be aware of the consequences for human beings and nature before there's a massive exodus of people from villages, especially in the south of the Mediterranean basin. These people won't have any supplies, either surface or underground water, so they'll leave the area, resulting in a sort of water war. Some 350 specialists converged on the city of Agadir in Morocco for the recent Mediterranean Wetlands Initiative. All types of wetlands are under threat from urbanisation, tourism and pollution.
Most Lebanese pay for drinking water, bottled water, so nobody drinks off the faucet or from wells or get from wetlands or rivers, because studies prove that below 1,200 meters most sources of waters are polluted now, because sewers and the liquid waste and the waste and affluents from industrial waste is all going into underground and rivers without treatment.
Experts say only urgent coordinated government action can stem the crisis, but activists say politicians are notoriously short-termist. The majority of leaders see development activity in terms of 5 years. They're not interested that much in anything beyond that. And we work with a long-term view, and that's one of our constraints, a major constraint. Diego hopes the private sector will put pressure on government, vital in an area which is home to some 60% of the world's water poor.